What happens when your phone dies? Your map is gone, and you are lost in the forest. This is the story of Thomas, Emma, and Oliver. Okay, kids, today we go on a nature walk.
I love the forest. The trees are so big. Dad, can we see animals? I want to see a rabbit.
Maybe. Let me check the trail map on my phone. Oh no, my phone is dead. The battery is 0.
What? No phone? How do we see the map?
It is okay. I have a paper map. Look. But then a big wind comes. No, the map, it is flying away.
The map is gone. It went up. Dad, now we have no phone and no map.
Do not worry. I remember the trail. We go this way. They walk and walk. But the trail looks different now.
Dad, I do not remember this part. Are we lost?
I think yes. We are lost.
I am scared, Dad. I want to go home.
Hey, Oliver. We are a team. We will find the way together.
If you like this story, please like this video and comment what story you want next. Wait, I have an idea. We can use nature.
Use nature? What do you mean, Emma?
My teacher says the sun goes from east to west. We came from the east this morning.
Emma, you are so smart. The sun can show us the way.
Dad, look! I can hear water!
The family follows the sun. They walk toward the east.
A river! If we follow the river, it goes to the park.
Yes, I remember now. The river goes to the parking area. They walk along the river. The water shows them the way.
Look, Emma! A frog! A green frog on the rock! He is so cute. Hello, little frog.
Come on, kids. We need to keep walking. Stay close to me.
Dad! Emma! I see a bridge! Over there!
The bridge! That is near the parking area. We are close.
We did it! We found the way!
The family crosses the bridge. They can see the parking area now.
I see the car! There is our car, Dad!
We made it! I am so proud of you both.
We did not need a phone. We used our brains. And we followed the river. The river helped us.
You two are the best. I am lucky to have you.
Next time, bring 2 maps, Dad.
And a charger for my phone.
Best day ever. Can we get lost again tomorrow?
Question for you. How did Emma help the family find the way home? Emma used the sun to find east. And they followed the river back to the parking area. Did you enjoy this story? Subscribe to our channel for more English stories every week. See you next time.